Your family over here is suffering. Look, oh my God, it's icy out here. All I'm saying is, guys, when you're home in Jamaica enjoying all that summer breeze, all that, I'm telling you, look at this. Look at all of this. This is what your family over here have to go through to work. Your auntie, your uncles, your brothers, your sisters, your cousins, your nieces, all of them. This is what they have to go through to work. So when you call, they can send you whatever you ask for. But yet still, you do not appreciate them. What do you use their money for? To buy hair, nails, and all these things. Nothing that is going to elevate your life. You need to be more appreciative. Whew, it's cold. Well, you know it's dark, guys, it's night, so pardon the darkness. You may can't see me that well, but I don't have a choice. I need you guys back home to know what's going on here, because a lot of us don't have the slightest idea what's going on here with our families. But yet still, when we call and we ask them for $1 and they say, oh, you know, the bills are due, I don't have it this time. Guess what? You have an attitude with them, but this is what they have to go through in order to give you that dollar. When you ask for it, you need to be more appreciative. Listen, guys, America is beautiful. I love it. I am on vacation, and I tell you, sometimes it's like you can't get enough of it. I can tell you that. It's lovely. But with that said, guys, you need to invest in your country. Invest in Jamaica. Invest, get a property that you know you can call your own. You know that, okay, then when time comes to retire, I don't have to retire in all this. This is a lot to take on. I'm just saying, invest in your country. Come back home when you're ready. All right? I am your real estate agent, Lizzie, of course. But with that said, the video is not about that. Let's get back to it, because we have some family members back home who they believe that, okay, then they want the hottest set of this, the hottest set of that, but guess what happened? They have no idea what you have to go through. Look at this. Look at this. This is damn ice. This is ice. See? Ice. Jesus have mercy. That's ice. Now, when you say, okay, then, well, I'm here. I'm going out for a walk. This is coffee, of course, helps to keep you warm. And I'm doing this for fun. But for the others who are here, this is not fun. If they do not work, they don't get paid. This is not like Jamaica where you can call in and say, oh, I can't come to work today. Oh, you can't come? Not to worry. We have your replacement on the next line. Brrr. Hi, Tanya. There's a spot open. Are you available for tomorrow? Yes. Okay, come in. Sophia, you are fired. Bye. This is their reality. Okay? So, guys, it is time to invest. It is time to ask yourself the question of the day. Very serious question. How can I get a property in Jamaica? How can I acquire that property? Look at this. This is beautiful, but I'm telling you, you will not be able, well, I know you will not be able to manage this in your retirement stage. I'm sure you want to come back home to all that beauty, but guys, if you're selling a property, if you're looking in buying a property or even rental, give me a call. Let me take you through that process. Listen, my job is to ensure that you have a smooth transition, and I'm more than happy to help you through the process, because this, I'm sure you want some of all that tropical breeze, you know, when the bones getting a little old. But again, all I'm saying is appreciate your family, guys. When they come on vacation, show them love, enough love. You understand me? Give them breakfast in bed. They don't get it here. Rub the foot a little bit. Do some of these things. You understand? All I'm saying is love your family, because they love you, and that is why they are going through all this, so that you are taken care of, so that you can have whatever it is that you desire. Anyways, guys, love you. It's cold and I'm trying to wrap up my walk. Again, it's dark. Don't hold me against it. Love you guys. Bye-bye.